Hi, my name is Ryan Vance, Program Specialist at North Park Village Nature Center. And tonight, we're going to go stargazing in the city. Tonight it is 6 o'clock and I am at Loyola Park doing some stargazing, not far from my house. I love to go stargazing in the winter because the sun sets so early. Today the sun set at 4:20 p.m. and it's gonna stay dark all night, so it gives you so much time to look for stars. Invite your family out for a walk after dinner and see what you can see. What can you see from your neighborhood? Can you see a lot of stars? A few stars? Do you see different colors in what looks like stars to you? Sometimes there's planets, there's satellites, even the moon should be rising soon. Those are all great things to look for. Let me give you some tips for stargazing at night. So when you're in the city, there's a lot of things that can be happening. One, it can be very bright around you. I'm under a light now for this video, but when I'm ready to go look for stars, I'm gonna find an area where there's not that many lights at, or maybe shadows that I can stand in to let my eyes adjust to the night sky. Another tip is try to go when there aren't any clouds in the sky. I picked a night and I got lucky. There's no clouds in the sky over here. If it's too cloudy, you might not see anything at all. So take a peek outside and see if it's the right night for you to go out. And look for areas where maybe it's not too bright. Maybe a park, maybe you live by the lakefront, some area where there's just fewer lights. That can be very helpful. You know, for countless years, people have told stories about the sky. Maybe it was a story based on how bright a star was. Maybe it was a shape determined by the stars that they had seen. And all these stories have been passed down. What stories would you tell about today's world when looking at the stars? Maybe a story about your family or even yourself. You don't need any equipment to go stargazing. It's really great to just go walking around and seeing what you can see with your own eyes. But if you have binoculars, that can be really helpful, especially if they're strong binoculars. Maybe you could see the moons of Jupiter. And if you have a telescope, even better, right? But if all you have is your eyes, take a walk and connect to the sky. There's other great ways to explore the night sky as well. Maybe an app on your phone or something called Stellarium. You can visit that website on the computer and see what stars will be up at any given time or any given day. You can go back in time or forward in time to see what stars will be out in the sky. So take yourself out on a walk and invite your family or friends to join you and see what the sky looks like tonight. Thank you for watching, and for more fun activities, check out Chicago Park District's website, Facebook page, and YouTube. Keep looking up at the stars.